So self-communication, by definition, is the ability to speak to yourself, but most importantly, the way um, we speak to ourselves. And I'm just reiterating that um, because it is most importantly. You can say the ability to speak to yourself and others, but most importantly is the way we speak to ourselves.
Yeah.
How we're talking to ourselves,
Mm-hmm.
whether it's verbal or non-verbal, right? Um, the way we speak to ourselves, it determines the way we live. The way we speak to ourselves determines how we live. The way we speak to ourselves also determines our beliefs because we're speaking those things, as I said earlier, out of the heart. Out of the heart, the mouth shall speak. So whatever is in our heart is what we believe, and what we believe, we're going to speak those things. So let's dive into it. What are some ways? What are some ways we talk to ourselves?
Okay. I would say number one is the way in which you start your day. Not your day, but just anything. You start out by thinking and projecting a plan, an idea, a thought.
Mm-hmm.
And what I do, before I do anything, I pray first for guidance because I don't know everything. I don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
But I pray for support and guidance
Yeah.
to guide me in the right direction. Because you come to the fork, you don't know which road to take.
True.
And I want to, well, you don't save time. Because if you put time into it, you might rush and mess up.
True.
But so I'm going to leave out time. But when the fork come, I want to make a wise decision. So you got to pre-plan before you step and do.
Absolutely. So that's, man, this is so good. You saying that. But do you see how being aware of that, being self-aware of that, kind of transitions into the way you self-communicate with yourself? That's phenomenal. Yeah, you're right. Before we speak, before we say anything, we must think about it. We must process it before we share it out to the world or to anyone, right?
I think so.
Because if we don't, then we're just gonna build a whole bunch of negative stuff.
Yeah, and do a lot of useless things.
Yes.
Look at what the goal is. What are you working on? You could be talking about things that don't apply.
This is true. This is true. Um, I always listen to this audio, and he speaks about just speaking to self and speak. It's called a positive mental attitude. I think it's by W.C. Clement or something like that. I think that's his name. But